So this is the demonstration of the functionality of this Teac X-1000RBL DBX1. So we're going to fast forward, going to high speed, stop to test the brakes, reverse, rewind, stop play, testing of the tape lifter. This is used to find spots with no music. Fast forward, and stop. Search to 0. It's going to rewind, find the 0, and then stop playing. Slowing down. Just before the 0, and play. Another function is STC. So I'm going to stop here and then hit Q. And that's going to record this position at 2:05. And then if we hit STC play, it's going to... Now we're going to fast forward from 2:08, from the Q point. Now if we hit STC, search to Q, and play, it's going to find the Q point at 2:08 and start playing from there. Slowing down. Just before 2:08 and play. This is demonstration of play forward. Reverse play. Testing of the auto reverse function. This tape recorder has the capability of doing loop playing, which means it will detect the end of the tape at the beginning and at the end, and then loop and play the tape constantly. We're going to demonstrate only one direction, the other one is the same, it's the same detection system. So we hit play. End of the tape reached, auto reverse engaged.